You've heard the word Dharma, but what does it truly mean? Is it a rule, a religion, or something deeper? In Hindu philosophy, Dharma is your inner compass. It guides you to do what's right, not just for yourself, but for the world around you. Dharma isn't the same for everyone. It changes based on your age, role, and situation. For a child, Dharma might mean telling the truth, even when it means admitting a mistake. For an adult, Dharma could be speaking up for someone at work or choosing honesty in a difficult moment. In the Mahabharata, Arjuna faced a painful choice: fight his own family or abandon his duty. Krishna told him, "It is better to fail in your own Dharma than succeed in someone else's." So what is Dharma really? It's the quiet voice that says, do what's right, even when it's hard. Whether you're 8 or 80 years old, Dharma is your guide to living with purpose.